Understanding the word tribe. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a word that represents both unity and identity, tribe. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how to use it in different contexts. Let's jump right in. The word tribe originally refers to a group of people that share a common ancestry, language, culture, and often a recognized leader. Tribes are usually associated with indigenous and aboriginal communities, living in specific geographic regions. For instance, the Maasai tribe in Africa, the Native American tribes in North America. In today's world, tribe has evolved beyond its traditional meaning. It is now also used to describe a group of people with shared interests, passions, or lifestyles, even if they aren't related by blood. For example, I found my tribe at the writer's workshop. This means the person found a community where they felt they belonged because of shared interests in writing. Tribe also appears in idiomatic expressions. One popular phrase is, "It takes a tribe." This means that achieving a goal or raising a child requires the collective effort of many people. Example, raising kids in this busy world? Believe me, it takes a tribe. This emphasizes the need for a supportive community in child-rearing. The word tribe beautifully captures the essence of community, whether through blood or bond. It reminds us that humans thrive in groups, always seeking connections and shared experiences. We hope this exploration of tribe enriches your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your linguistic horizons.